Good evening, friends. Rajiv Gupta once again. Uh, this is a very short video of just couple of minutes, so I request your attention. When I posted my last video, people were saying that no, SIP in mutual funds is the best way for retirement, and everybody should go for it and all that. So this video is about that only. Basically, uh, mutual fund is very good investment vehicle. There is absolutely no doubt about it. But when it comes to retirement planning, what we suggest that you should not go for any investment which is risky, which can be volatile, and which can be difficult to predict. So in retirement, basically you need fixed income, guaranteed income, tax-free income, and the most important, free tension-free income. You should not be watching markets when you are retired and when you are, at the sunset years of your life. You should not be watching markets. You should not be watching what is happening across the globe. Is there any sell-off or what all? If you are in markets, it will not allow you to rest. Let me tell you one thing, and majority of people lose in markets. Please do understand, and it is very difficult to beat markets. If you if it comes to say trading or speculation and all that. So what we want is basically retirement is not something which on which you can speculate. So you should have a guaranteed income. So to support what I'm saying, I have got a data. This is basically very reputed site which has released this data. So I just want to share this particular site. Now this site, you can see it is basically Cafe Mutual, and it just what is saying is 10% regular SIP and 2% direct SIP are just 5 years older. Retirement is 15, 20, 30, 40 years plan. And if you see, this article is available on internet. You can go and see that. And this is, all how many years any SIP in all across the mutual fund, what is the average life? And you will be shocked to know if we take an average, uh, you know, there are just 28 lakhs folio, which account for almost just 8% of the overall portfolio, which are above 5 years. Now, what I mean to say, 92% people are taking out their money before 5 years are, getting completed. And this is a very serious issue. Again, if you see, just, you know, 34% people take out their money just after 1 year. So basically, it is not their fault. The reason is, there are always going to be contingencies. There are always going to be requirement for money in their house for various reasons. And that is the reason mutual funds have already completed more than 25 years in Indian market. And after so much maturity, still investors are not, just 8% investors are keeping their money for more than 5 years. So whatever anybody says that, you go for SIP in retirement planning, the reason is the people are not disciplined. Mutual fund is not bad investment vehicle, but the problem with mutual fund, it is the first thing, it is a dicey, it is a risky, it is a speculative. You don't know if you are equity mutual funds, at what point of the markets your retirement years are starting, or during the time. And if there is some collapse happening, so what will you do? So 5%, only just 8% people are keeping their money for more than 5 years. 92% people are withdrawing their money. So the reason is you are giving them liberty to take their money out of the mutual funds. Once their say lock-in period is over, once they say the slight pressure for any uh, fund requirement is there, they are just tapping on their portfolio. So what I mean to say is basically the data is suggesting just 8% people are keeping their money for 5 years, whereas in retirement planning, you need to invest for at least 15, 20 years so that you keep on getting fixed income. And here is where our plan, just chips in. And this is the reason why I always suggest that we should not put money into equity mutual funds, because the liberty is there. You can withdraw their fund, and once you are under any pressure, financial pressure, you are going to withdraw. And what we suggest is core and satellite approach. For example, in this plan, you can see the person is investing just 10 years of disciplined investment. As there is no exit route allowed in this, 80% money we are taking into core plan, that is fixed, guaranteed kind of return plan, which is going to last up to 100 years of age. 20% we are giving you to invest into three options. So you can put money into equities, you can put money into equities mutual funds, or third option, if you are a little bit aggressive, we can put that particular 20% money into options, so that you can get very handsome return after a period of 10 years. We have got very good options strategy where we invest your money into options and generate almost 20 to 25% return on a yearly basis easily on options by playing very conservative. By lot of strategies are there in options which you understand, so that we can manage for next 10 years. So even if this amount becomes zero, that options money becomes zero. Oh, first of all, it will not happen. But even if it becomes zero, you are assured that 80% money is logged into saved asset. Once 10 years are over and there is no exit route in this, you will start getting 4,85,000 on investment of 10 lakh rupees for 10 years. You start getting 4,85,000 in guaranteed way. And this money will keep on coming when right up to 100 years of age. And the most important thing, in case anything happens, your family is going to get almost 1 crore rupees extra as life insurance policy from the day one. So this is the plan which not only is better than annuity, it is not only better than any kind of insurance, even if you buy term insurance. And if you don't, if nothing happens, 98% people, easily pass their term insurance term. So 98%, if they are passing, if you are calculating the cost of term insurance right up to 100 years of age, what is the point? Instead of invest into this kind of plan where you are going to get secured retired income month after month, year after year. And if we combine this total amount, 4,85,000 you are going to get from debt plan, 20% what we have invested into equities, that amount, clubbed with the, one amount which you get after 10 years from fixed plan, that is 16,25,000 is added to your kitty of, almost 29 lakh rupees. So that amount total, it will give you, almost total amount. This is the amount which is going to come from, investments into options. And this is the amount which you are going to invest, this 16,15,000 which you are going to get from fixed plan. Both put together, you are going to withdraw for next 40 years, irrespective whether matter goes up or not. And just at 8% return, we have calculated it, just at 8% return. So the total amount, what you will get, 4,85,000 plus another 3,60,000, total becomes 8,36,000. So almost, if you are investing 10 lakhs rupees, so 8,36,000 tax-free income is going to come to you right up to 100 years of age. And overall, if you see, you are going to get, and that 1 crore rupees risk cover, if you add, almost 3 crore 35 lakh rupees, and there is no exit. Once the 10 years are completed, you are going to get this return. And this is what we are suggesting. You should always go for such plans where 80% money is locked. You cannot do any kind of exit. You cannot play with that money. You can withdraw it for your children's education or their marriage or for house purpose or for buying any car or for buying any asset. It should go for a retirement, because once you cross 65, incomes are not going to be there. And this is the plan, whether if your advisor is there or not, is going to be there continuously. So gentlemen, this was the video for suggesting you core and satellite plan, why you should go for that rather than going for SIP. Hope you have liked the video. If you have any question, please contact me on 975-429-2575. My email address is r@gcfp@gmail.com. Thanks a lot. This is Rajiv Gupta checking out. Please keep on visiting my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.